Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Afterpay on Walmart. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to create an account on Walmart. And how do you do that? Launch in a browser of your choice. Locate the search bar, which is usually the top corner. In the search bar, type walmart.com. It's going to take you to this website. Top right corner, click on sign in account. Follow through the process to create your account, and once you're done, it's going to take you to the Walmart homepage. This is not the homepage. I'm unable to create an account on Walmart, but that's fine. No hassle. I'm going to show you exactly what to do to use Klarna at Walmart, or sorry, to use Afterpay. Alright, so how to use Afterpay. Here you go. Select any product that you want to buy on Walmart. So we're going to click on the options there. Okay, I think I like this t-shirt. Left corner, click on add to cart. As you can see, that has been added. So right here, I'm just going to click on view cart. So I have two items here, and they're letting me know that if I want to check out, it means I'm going to have to check out. I'm going to pay for the two items at the same time. But I don't want to do that, so I'm going to have to remove the second item and just let the first one stay. So I want to purchase this courier. Right corner, click on continue to check out. Now I'm just going to have to close it. Like I said earlier, I can't create an account on Walmart because of some restrictions. But then if you've created an account on Walmart, you're not going to find this once you have clicked on continue to check out. So it means you cannot just check out like that if you do not have an account. Alright, so once you've successfully created your account and then you click on continue to check out, it's going to open up a window, which is the new window, which is a checkout page, the checkout page itself. So once you get to that page, you're going to have to review your order. And once you review the order, you're going to see an option called payment method. From that payment method, click on it, and you're going to see a lot of options that you can use. And one of them you're going to see is Afterpay. So because of the call of this tutorial, select Afterpay. You're going to find Klarna, you're going to find Affirm and others. So, but you're also going to find Afterpay. So click on Afterpay. So this means using Afterpay on Walmart means you want to use your balances in Afterpay to make purchases on Walmart. That's exactly what it means. So choose Afterpay as a payment method, and then continue to pay, and then your Afterpay balance will be deducted, and that's just very easy. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, we're good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.